May trabaho naman ako. Bakit na-deny ako ng mortgage? I get this question all the time, and it breaks my heart kasi most of the time, it's not your fault. You just weren't informed. Here are 5 possible reasons why your mortgage got denied kahit may income ka. Number 1, your job is too new. Lenders want at least 1 year full-time or sometimes 3 to 6 months depende sa trabaho mo or 2 years self-employed. Pag bago ka pa lang, they see that as unstable kahit malaki pa ang kita mo. Number 2, your credit score needs work. Even if may income ka, a low credit score means high risk for lenders. Pag may missed payments, collections, or high credit card balances, red flag yan agad. Number 3, too much utang. If your monthly obligations like car, credit cards, line of credits are too high, baka hindi na pasok sa required ratios. Number 4, unverifiable or irregular income. Cash jobs, commission only, part-time. Some lenders want consistent, documentable income. Hindi lang basta may sweldo. Number 5, gifted down payment with no proof. Yes, pwede ang gifted down payment. Pero kailangan may paper trail, signed letter, at galing sa eligible sources. Being employed is not enough. You need a strategy. One that aligns your income, credit, documents, and timing. If you were denied before, don't give up. Let's build a new plan. Okay?